Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by proving ownership and preparing the tools. Make sure you are signed into the same Google account that the phone used and that the device has good battery and connectivity. Once done, gather proof of purchase and any account details. These matter if you must contact support. Then, open Google's Find My Device or the manufacturer's support portal on another device, because you will use official recovery or wipe options rather than risky workarounds. Now proceed with official recovery paths. Use Find My Device to locate or remotely erase the phone if you cannot unlock it, and understand that erase will delete personal data. If the phone is registered with the manufacturer, sign into their account portal to access device recovery tools. If those tools refuse access, contact your carrier or an authorized service center. Make sure you have ID and proof of purchase. They can verify ownership and complete the process by setting up the phone after an official erase or technician reset and restore from a cloud backup if one exists. If activation locks or account verification block you, provide the manufacturer or carrier with the device IMEI and purchase receipt so they can assist. This typically solves ownership disputes. If things still go wrong, do not use unverified unlocking tools. Instead, request escalation through official support channels to avoid data loss and potential legal problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.